German vowel length. Why one sound can change everything. In German, vowel length matters a lot. A short vowel and a long vowel can make two totally different words. Let's start with an example. Stadt, short R, means city. Staat, long R, means state or country. Hear it again. Stadt, quick. Staat, stretched. Another one. Hütte, short U, that's a hut. Hütte, long U, means hats. In English, vowel length often doesn't change meaning, but in German it absolutely does. So how do you know when to make it long? A double vowel like A or a silent H often means it's long, like in Staat or Hün. A short vowel usually comes before a double consonant, like in Stadt or Hütte. Tip: use timing to train your ear. Say the short word fast and hold the vowel for the long one. Timing equals clarity. Nail it and you'll instantly sound more accurate in German.